Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble codes DTC, P07B9, and P07BA are associated with the transmission park position sensor switch B in Honda Pilot models from 2016 to 2022. Specifically, P07B9 refers to a low voltage condition in the circuit, indicating that the transmission park position sensor is not signaling the transmission control module, TCM, properly. Conversely, P07BA indicates a high voltage condition, suggesting that the sensor is sending an abnormal high signal to the TCM. Both issues typically stem from electrical circuit problems rather than mechanical faults within the transmission itself. The transmission park position sensor plays a crucial role in relaying information about the gear position to the TCM, thereby affecting the functionality of the vehicle's transmission system. This information is vital for ensuring smooth operation and preventing unexpected vehicle behavior, particularly concerning gear engagement and safety mechanisms. DTC P07B9, representing the transmission park position sensor switch B, circuit low error, and DTC P07BA, indicating the circuit high condition, highlights significant electrical issues rather than mechanical failures. The transmission park position sensor acts as a vital component by informing the transmission control module about the current gear position to ensure safe transmission operation. The sensor's location typically lies near the transmission assembly, connected to the TCM, making its wiring crucial for functionality. The electrical issues can involve open circuits leading to too high or too low voltage readings that can cause erratic transmission behavior. Diagnosing these codes requires a stepwise approach to determine whether the problem lies in the wiring, the sensor, or the TCM itself. Several possible causes could lead to the appearance of DTC P07B9 and P07BA. One primary suspect is an open circuit in the wiring, which means the electrical path has been disrupted, preventing proper voltage signals from being transmitted. Another issue may involve a shorted wire connection, resulting in incorrect readings, either too low or too high, which could mislead the TCM. In some cases, the transmission park position sensor itself might be defective, failing to provide accurate information to the TCM. It's crucial to systematically check each of these areas, since electrical issues can often overlap, leading to multiple symptoms. By ruling each one out methodically, you can isolate and resolve the DTC effectively. When DTC P07B9 or P07BA is triggered, several symptoms may be observed. One of the most noticeable is the illumination of the check engine light, which serves as a warning indicator to the driver that something is amiss. Furthermore, improper communication between the transmission park position sensor and TCM can manifest as transmission issues, such as delays or harsh shifts while changing gears. Another possible symptom includes inconsistent gear engagement, leading to unexpected behaviors when driving, which can compromise safety and prevent the vehicle from operating as intended. Recognizing these symptoms quickly can help in addressing the problem before it exacerbates, leading to more severe transmission faults and potential repairs. The first troubleshooting step involves verifying the problem through appropriate actions. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode, which is a state that allows the vehicle's electrical systems to activate without starting the engine. Next, using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, clear any existing DTCs to refresh the system's fault memory. After clearing the codes, switch the vehicle off completely, which permits the system to reset and regain its baseline readings. Following this, turn the vehicle back to the on mode and promptly check for any new pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS. Observing whether DTC P07B9 or P07BA reappears, will confirm the ongoing issue, demonstrating that the failure can be replicated and necessitating further investigation. In this troubleshooting step, a focus shifts to diagnosing possible open wires that might impair circuit integrity. Start by ensuring that the vehicle is turned to the off-lock mode, halting all electrical functions to prevent accidental shorting. Disconnect the critical connectors, specifically the TCM subharness 26P connector and the TCM 58P connector. This disconnection is essential to isolate the testing area from any electronic interference. Next, check for continuity between specific test points provided, which involves verifying the electrical flow between the connectors. Test points include TCM subharness 26P connector number 17, number 18, and number 24. Connecting them to their respective terminals on the TCM 58P connector. A positive continuity test confirms that the lines are intact, allowing you to proceed. Conversely, a lack of continuity indicates an open wire that needs to be repaired. Following the identification of possible open wires, the next step involves checking for any shorted wires that may impair the circuit's functionality. With the vehicle again in the off-lock mode, ensure the TCM subharness 26P connector remains disconnected while you focus on continuity testing. Check the continuity between the tested points in the TCM 58P connector, specifically terminals number 12 and number 15, and ensure they are evaluated against the vehicle's body ground. If continuity exists, this suggests that the Parkson 2 and VCC 2 wires are shorted to ground somewhere along their lengths between the sensor unit and the TCM. Rectifying these shorts will help restore proper signal flow. If no continuity is found, it is likely the wiring is in good condition, and the issue may lie within the sensor itself, which will necessitate replacement. After performing the necessary repairs or replacements based on the previous troubleshooting steps, it's crucial to verify the effectiveness of these actions. Start by turning the vehicle to the on mode again and using the HDS to clear any DTCs from the system memory. Following this, conduct a comprehensive scan to check if any new or previously noted DTC codes reappear. A successful verification will demonstrate that no new error codes exist, indicating that the repairs performed resolve the underlying issues related to the transmission park position sensor. This step is critical not only for confirming the repair, but also in ensuring the vehicle operates smoothly without further complications. If errors persist, further diagnostics may be needed to explore additional issues. Preventive maintenance plays an essential role in ensuring long-term reliable operation of the transmission system and avoiding similar DTCs in future. Regular inspections of the wiring associated with the transmission park position sensor can help spot early signs of wear, fraying, or corrosion. Additionally, routinely checking connectors for secure attachment and cleanliness can further enhance the sensor's performance, minimizing the risk of electrical faults. It's also wise to ensure that the transmission control module is functioning properly, as its capability to process sensor signals accurately is crucial for optimal vehicle performance. Engaging in these preventive actions helps in prolonging the life of the components involved and enhancing overall transmission reliability. Building this habit can significantly reduce the occurrence of error codes over time. In conclusion, identifying and addressing DTCs P07B9 and P07BA requires prompt action and a systematic troubleshooting approach. Understanding the role of the transmission park position sensor and its electrical circuitry helps technicians locate the root problems effectively, whether they stem from open circuits, shorted connections, or faulty sensors. With effective verification steps and the implementation of preventive maintenance, the ongoing reliability of the transmission system can be assured. Emphasizing these practices not only ensures a safer driving experience, but also potentially reduces costly repairs related to future transmission failures. Ultimately, engagement in regular vehicle maintenance and adherence to these troubleshooting guidelines will contribute to enhanced vehicle performance and longevity. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.